down and prices are down 3.9% year to date. It's Friday, February 18th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Prices in 21401 are down 2.6%, 21403 is up 12.5%, 21409 is up 4.3%. The 30-year fixed rate is up to 3.75% from recent 3.55%. The FHA 30-year fixed rate is up to 3.375%, and the VA rate is up to 3.125%. Inventory has dropped to 64 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis at a median price of $650,000. Let's look at what's happened with the inventory since last report. 36 homes are coming soon, 11 homes were newly listed for sale, 21 went under contract, 17 are temporarily off the market, 11 moved to pending, 20 homes settled over the past week, selling in 8 median days at 100% of list price with a median sales price of $525,000. The highest sale in Annapolis was this waterfront home in Eastport for $3,450,000. Area rental inventory is slightly up again from last week to 26 properties for lease, averaging $25.72 per month. Most rentals are going under application in under 15 days. If you are contemplating a move this year, get our winter home buyer or home selling guide free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the navigation bar and then let's talk. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report of February 18th, 2022. Thank you for tuning in. Until next week, be well.